Did it great? Maybe the top plate. But she didn't have a car. And so I said, the company I never knew about the line. Yeah, I'm a lot of things. All right, Minnie, you trying to run? You are coming out with us. Megan's got to take the Megan's still. She's still. Oh, yeah.
This is the front. This is the back. All right, you better save that energy. Brother, I really want to help you. I said, brother, but you may want to get out of the street because they gonna come and they gonna flatten you, dude. I hope you feel my energy. Look, dude, you better get out of the street. You think I should get a stick and try to run him out the street? Well, see how he's in that position? He can strike. So I'm gonna leave you alone, but you may want to get out of the street like ASAP, cause they gonna gladly run you over, man. Don't say I didn't tell you. I'm out of here. I just left A.W.A.R.E Wildlife Center, Atlanta Wildlife Animal Rescue effort. I don't want to have to take you there. All right? Atlanta Wildlife Animal Rescue effort. Yeah, I'm gonna leave out your way, and it looked like you took my advice. So start leaving, and I'm gonna sit here and assist you. And I'm finna block the road. I'm finna block the road. Hey. He gone? Yep. Oh. Okay. Come on. I just saved his life, y'all, and I feel good. See that right there? And he's left in the nick of time. Did he? He did? He did. Good. All right. I hope he felt my energy, because everybody get him like a bad reputation. And like I say, I mean, maybe he just really felt my energy. Like, you know what? He ain't trying to do no harm, but let me get out of here. Boy, you was finna lose your life.
I'm making a sacrifice. Say Stonecrest. Stonecrest.
Okay.
See, I'm finna blast these females. See, that's the thing about it. Go ahead, Sirius. They just seen 2 snakes on the nature trail, and they got afraid. And nah, Sirius, no, don't aggravate them, man. All right. Yeah, just lift him up in there, take him over there, and then sit his friend right next to him. Yeah. Come on, you next. Let Sirius help you out. Come on. Go ahead. All right, there you go. Go ahead, lift him up, Sirius.
That's something that I would do.
There we go.
Is that a snake?
Yeah, and then there's one over there. Nah, y'all be fine. Y'all be fine. Y'all be fine. See, just put try to. Yeah, there you go, and then sling him over there. Yeah, there you go.
Wow.
There you go, right there on his partner. You put him right there on his partner. Look, he laying right there. Look, they go both on right there. But anyway, man, let's roll, man.
All right.
This is why I see, but this is what I'm trying to tell you about women. Oh, they just freaked out, and we gotta come. What's going on? Oh, that y'all tripping? Come on, let's go. All right.
The dog broke loose.
Wildlife. I be doing my wildlife.
okay.
Yeah.
Is it alive?
No, you ain't gotta look down. You just keep it moving. He ain't mess with nobody. Look like he resting.
Yeah.
You got the pretty card?
Yep. 3, 2, 1.
Take you to your new home with my dad.
at?
Well, just show him his new home. Where would you like for me to leave him? All right, guys, we have our box turtle. Oh, it's some donuts.
Donuts, huh?
Rafi, you want to try some? You want to try some donuts? No?
Oh no, the ants are gonna eat it.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, I think he like worms too, though. He like to eat worms too, and he basically, I was gonna take him to A.W.A.R.E Wildlife Center because his back leg, he hurt his back leg,
Oh no.
but he'll be fine though because I seen him walking, so he'll be able to survive in the wild. So I'm just gonna take him back here, and then he'll have to figure it out from here.
I think we should put him.
Maybe we can sit him on the rock.
Oh yeah.
So we'll go down here. It's a pathway. Yeah, he's like in a reptile family. Come on, Rafi. That's his name, Rafi. So, Rafi, we're gonna sit you right here, Rafi. Look, you smell that water? You're free to go. See?
Come on. Come on.
He's about to leave. You smell that water, and he feel at home.
Welcome to your new home, the Rock River.
Yep.
That's what I'm gonna call it.
Look, he's gonna get away. See? Told you.
Aww.
There you go. Be free. Be free.
Go to your new family.
There you go, Rafi. See, he's missing a back leg.
Oh, it got chopped? No, he's not even swimming. Oh, I can see some people over there.
Oh, yeah. They're just hanging out.
Bye-bye, Rafi.
Oh, they sitting there.
We'll never see you again.
Well, he's going to get stuck on that rock. There he is. I'm zooming in on
I'm
him.
gonna miss Rafi.
Well, he spent a lot of time with me. He was in the back of the truck. I didn't want the no hawk to eat him. He's going to get stuck on that rock. Look, there you go. You see him?
Yep. I should give him a leaf. I should have.
No, he'll be fine. He'll know how to get up
Ew,
there.
did he just poop again?
No, I just said him by somebody else's poop.
Ew.
Well, when he smelled the water, he knew he'll be okay. I'm not answering no more calls. So you never heard of A.W.A.R.E Vineyard? Never. Okay, yeah, be sure to pull it up online. Yeah. A.W.A.R.E.Vineyard.com, and like I say, it got a natural spring, very therapeutic, and we harvest every year, but they just opened to the public 6 months ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's right at eye level.
Yeah, they're gonna put the winery with the vineyard, so that's gonna be probably in a year or two to come. Yep. Are you a resident of Stonecrest?
No, I live in Dublin.
Oh wow, so you out 20. How'd you hear about this?
This?
Yeah.
I get the emails.
Oh, so you signed up for the newsletter.
Yeah.
So you came all the way from the city in the hustle and bustle, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Ah. Hey, thanks for visiting our neck of the woods. Thank you.
Me and Sharon back there, we hike all over. So.
Did you guys want to stop by and take a look before you leave since you're already out here?
I mean,
I mean, 5 minutes, literally. Like, so once we get back, you parked over at the near the gun range, right?
I guess.
Yeah.
Where the, off of North Goddard.
Yeah, for North Goddard.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's 5 minutes from there.
Oh,
Yeah, and then that way you'll be in the know, and you can sign up for that newsletter. So that way you can come out, because right now, like I say, they have like sipping paints. They do like a couples retreat. They do like all type of classy events, and then you can also rent it out too. Yep. I have these birds. Let's just let the party. Wait till they all fly away. It's gonna be crazy. It's a gang of them. Tree house. You see them? Yeah. This gonna be y'all. When y'all have to lead in this, then what's gonna happen is they haven't learned how to fly yet. But once they get hungry, they realize they're gonna have to do something. So it's springtime, they done left the nest. Their mom not gonna be feeding them no more, so they gotta get out here and get it on their own.
Remember you told us
you see right? See how they sit right here chilling?
have to live on their own?
No, they not babies no more. The mom done fed them all of what she's gonna feed them. Now they in the space, they gotta either figure it out for themselves. So right now, they may eat like an ant. Like when the ant's passing by, they're gonna have to find something to eat, and then eventually they're gonna have to learn how to fly, and then get out here in the world and do it for themselves. Yeah. Their parents not gonna keep on doing it for them. It's gonna be time for them to grow big and get out here and live and figure it out.
What are they looking at?
They chilling right now. They looking for some ants, and they kind of scared.
There's one right here.
Yeah, I know, but they ain't finna get up and chase them, because if they get up and chase them and then a fox see them, then they gonna become a snack. So they got to be careful. So look, let's just leave them alone. What about the other one?
Hi. Can you say actual words? I love you. So.
Let me try.
I didn't know that.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
There we go. So these
Oh,
guys
wow.
do say like, hi, I love you, what are you doing? They will say, stop it. So we have I didn't even realize 3-year-old vulture. No, I think he was 4 years old.
Probably,
A 4-year-old vulture who hangs out in our main room. He's not releasable. And there are certain spots he's not allowed in the main room. And anytime he goes to them, these guys will start screaming, stop it, to tell on him. They'll come in, they'll say hi. Like when I was just getting him to glove him, he was telling me, stop it. When we're he is an American crow. He came to us because he was hit by a car. As don't know if you've mentioned on the fact of cars, hit by a car is one of the most common reasons we get animals in.
The most common.
Yeah.
Number one.
When people put out trash on the side of the road, even things like apple cores and orange peels, still have an immediate effect. Animals, it takes a lot of energy to survive out in the wild. Animals try and do whatever it takes the least amount of energy, including finding food.
Hey guys, I don't want to get too close, but they go to wild turkey right here. They go to wild turkeys. Yeah, I don't want to get too close. It may be pretty aggressive. See those wild turkeys? I mean, this look nice and fresh too. I mean, he must have. I just seen I think that was a dove back there. It couldn't have been no buck. But
Oh, did you?
yeah, when I was coming up the like this road right here, wrap around to another road, and
Okay.
yeah, I mean, it feels about right. Hey, look at this possum. This just happened recently. Yep. So look at his face. He smells.
And his teeth.
You see his teeth?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I don't see his eyes.
His eyes. I think they rotting out. Something ate him. Like something came to eat his belly and stuff. And then he been sitting in the sun. But you see his teeth and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. And then
It's like a skeleton.
yeah, it's gonna turn to a skeleton because at nighttime, I think those possums come by and eat him, and then those buzzards are gonna come by and eat him. You see that? I told you, it's creepy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you.
I'm
All
glad
right.
I'm not a dog.
Huh?
I'm glad I'm not a dog.
Well, that could happen to a human too. And you was walking close by him.
Seriously. It gets to a point. You're not an old man's man.
Ask your mom about it when you get home.
Heard that serious?
She gonna be like, where you hear about that at? We don't carry that.
Yeah.
Pay attention.
Sticks and stuff.
Zach, can you do it farther this time? Ooh, good job. Look at that. You did a good job. Thumbs up. Good job. I didn't know you know how to throw it far like that, Zach. Because you're going to catch a fish like that. You know how to throw it all over there? All right. All right, just do it one more time because I don't want you to scare the fish away now. Ooh, look at that. You did good. That's awesome right there. You're going to... Oh, because it was a little bridge right there, a little docking port where you can walk out there. Well, they moved it out the way. They're going to probably fix it later. All right, so just do it one more time and don't keep doing it because you're going to scare the fish away. Good job. You sure learn how to cast your reeling rod out there. After struggling, serious, let me see your fish. It ain't no big one, y'all, but he was determined to catch the first fish, so there it is. His first fish. Let's see if he can get it off. Look, Zah. Sirius had this, Zah, you cast it the wrong way, Zah. Zah, you see Sirius fish? Look. Zah, look at the fish.
I'll touch it.
Go ahead, touch it. Let's Zah touch it. Sirius, you know how to take them off?
No.
You know how to take them off, JoJo? Man, I ain't want to get my hand dirty. Let me show y'all how to do it, man. Hold on. Where'd he go? Oh. Slow down. Just let him nibble on it. Let him get choked close to the top. Close to the top. Oh, wait till you get to the top. Oh, he's getting away. You gonna find something else?
They eat frogs.
He got a worm on his back.
Oh, he see the worm now. Now he's like, man, should I eat it? Go towards the water. A little baby worm on his back.
There's one on the ground.
You're like, wait, how about turn around? Rethink this thing.
Be careful around his head.
Okay, I have to get a fish tomorrow.
Okay.
Because there's no fishing coming.
Ain't no fish coming? Cause you have to learn your patience too.
When it gets Sunday tomorrow?
Today is Sunday. Tomorrow's Monday. And you said you're gonna play on your bounce house. Go ahead, reel your cast your reel out there.
It's on, Papa.
Okay. Yeah, it made that noise. All right, my turn.
Like a bubble.
I'm not gonna bite you because it's not. Say, why don't you grab one out and throw that one down? Throw that one down. Grab one out of this blade bag.
Okay.
Papa caught his fish for today.
Of course yours is big.
Wow.
Right.
You want to get back in the water? I want Sirius to get them off. Guys, we just fishing for the sport. We not, you know what I mean? Come on, old man. He can't breathe out here. That was your mom who thought he can breathe outside.
Oh my gosh.
You just blast her. Don't be afraid and then unhook it. Don't be afraid.
Your son just poked me.
Yes, the thing's on his back. That's why you hold him down. Like, do it like how you was doing it. Don't let him stick him up. Don't hold him sideways. See the fins right there? You want to hold him like this so the things don't. So
Don't
squeeze
pull
it.
him down.
Don't squeeze. You're supposed to have it the other way. All right, take the hook out. Just take the hook out, sis. Because he going to wiggle it now. Be a little gentle if you can. Just take the hook out. Yeah, there you go. Pull it out. All right, then put it back in the water. Thank you. But look, I mean, next time I'm going to show you by example, but I thought you were paying attention. Like, when his fins are like sticking out, you just put your hands behind them, like you pushing them down. If you go upward, then they're gonna stick. That's the a serious one with nature. Wait to Vonda them see this. How Vonda, look, we got. See, we one with nature. Look.
Did his...
Oh, he's camouflage.
Yeah,
So it's
I
like
thought
a,
it
like
was a leaf.
he's like in stealth mode. You ever heard of stealth?
No.
Stealth is where they like blend in with the right. Well, you have to Google it when you get home.
I think he broke his wing.
Bro, why you say that?
Yeah,
He's
this
hurt?
side and...
Nah. It's like a leaf. He alright. I mean, he's a caterpillar, right?
Caterpillar?
Well, he turns into a butterfly.
Yeah, you're right.
All right, we got one. Man, I'm gonna get out of the sun. I'm saying, put him in the shade real quick.
Oh. There we go.
See, you having that experience at the vineyard. See.
I ran into some birds.
All right, Mr. Lizard, come out.
He's on my shoulder.
Just shake him out. Shake him. Just shake him. Shake him. Wait, come out. He's not gonna bite. He biting?
Oh yeah, I'll take the shoulder.
He fell off. He fell off.
Where? You lying?
There he go. He on your back. Yeah. Shake it. Look, no. Let me hit him off. Turn around. He on your stomach.
Take the shirt out.
Look, don't take it off. Don't take it off.
Where is it? Where
He
is
might be in the shirt.
Look in the shirt.
Take the shirt. Shake
He
that
had went
shirt.
around to the front, man.
Shake it.
Serious, it's this one right here. Shake this one. He might be in your pants.
Oh, no.
Look, hold on, wait, don't shake it like that. He's not gonna bite. It's just he's not gonna bite though.
Do you feel him on you?
He's not gonna bite.
No, I
Okay.
don't.
Dude, you about to go viral, dude. This is what happened when you come to Arabian Mountain Vineyard. Shake the shirt.
He's shaking it.
He might be in your pants by now.
No.
Wait, look in the hair. Turn around, man.
I will turn.
Just look. Just put.
Okay.
All right.
Not looking.
No, well, he couldn't have went in your pants because you got him laced up pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unless he fell out.
He didn't listen. Right. Open it up. Is he in there? Okay, he's not. Okay, shake it. He's not in there. All right. So put back on your tank top.
your tank top.
Now let's look in the shirt. I peep through the hole.
Peep through the hole. I'm finna turn this sucker inside out.
Oh, okay. I thought. Oh, okay.
He's not in here.
You sure?
He's not in there.
Okay, he's not in there. You don't feel nothing in your pants.
No.
Okay, he must have came out some kind of way. We're gonna pray. We're gonna pray.
I thought he got out early. Oh no, he went. I just saw.
I just heard it. Let's just wait and let's see if we hear him.
This what you do. you loosen up your pants and you
You
shake it. You shake it all the way in the back and the front. You just shake your pants. Just shake it.
I'm sure that was him we heard over here.
Okay, good.
Yeah. See, little Zah, that's why we can't go down there. Told you, Zah. So it'll push our canoe and our kayak real fast. And then we might crash right there, that tree. But then if my little baby fall in there right now, it can kill her. Because you don't know how to swim, and it's going to push you up against the tree, and then you might hit your head or something, and then you might go up under the water, and then it's going to be hard to find you. But then if I jump in there and try to swim and catch you, the water going so fast. Whoa. Boo! Yeah, YouTube. Huh? Right there. Where's the camera guy? On the red canoe.
I got a deep one over there. It's like 6 foot deep.
Whoop!
The one that just did it, he was like biking distance from here. One time me and him biked here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like it was during summer. We stayed here for like the whole day.
Yeah, like we filming like a real documentary.
Really?
Yeah, right there. Well, he's getting out with the camera. There he is. Cool, man. We got our umbrella, got our fan. Say peace. Oh yeah. You see all of the boulders? That's Panola Mountain.
Are you serious? What?
The bug.
They're jumping spiders?
They are. They are. Japanese koi, correct?
No, actually, these are just gold.
Oh. Wow. Look at that. Look at the look on their face.
Like, they'll mess around, huh? This stuff here is like candy. They love it. Like, bring the candy, Mom.
Oh.
What's dessert?
So the hawks and any of the birds, they doesn't pay like a visit?
Actually, yes. See that blue heron? That's the decoy.
The blue heron. Oh, got you. Got
We
you.
had him over here, but then we had a live one that would come and walk up to it and peck it, and he was like, "You're not real." And he would stand on the rock there.
Oh no.
And he'd pick the fish off. So the lilies help to shade this and keep the algae down and protect them. But in the winter months, that thing would come and we would run him off. Then we put a net over it.
Right.
We didn't like that. And so what we did was we took some rock and rocks like this and some slate, some flat pieces of slate, and we built a tunnel system for them underneath.
Awesome.
So there's just rocks and pieces of slate. It's all the way in different areas, and so they can tunnel in and out, and now we don't have to worry about them.
So are there any like shelves? Like shelves for them to like lay eggs?
Actually, I think they control their own population.
Okay.
I've noticed that. So yeah, there's some areas and we can see when they are carrying the eggs, and there's a couple of them.
Beautiful.
And it's just a beautiful thing.
Wow.
It's really a nice system, but it takes work. He maintains this.
Okay.
And I feed him and love on him.
Stonecrest. Stonecrest better get to work. Gotta hold those guys accountable, baby. How y'all doing? All right, look what we got. That's what we spending our money on. Cool. We got recycle and trash. No litter bugs, guys. Put your trash and recycle your recyclables. All right, keep our community clean. Yes, sir. Keep it clean, baby. That's what we do, right? 2,500. All right, guys, we wrapping it up for the. We done had our fun. We done did our thing. So, yeah, that way. Next time, over and out, guys. Y'all see this fun out here? He's eating the mushrooms out my front yard. Hey, my dear friend. I'm not gonna scare away so fun. Was this a baby deer? No, it's a fun. Then he's gonna go around that. You got that watermelon in the compost pile? You'll probably go around and entertain the idea of that. So if we don't know anything else, we ain't in the hood. Where's his parents at? Just sitting there in peace. Eating at the front yard. You like, did I hear something?
There's a lettuce leaf and a banana.
Why you think you gonna go out there and throw it to him? He gonna run. You gotta catch him when they extra young. You probably see a squirrel or something. Something got his attention. If you open the window right now, he gonna run. When they young, they'll come up to you though. You got that bread. They like bread.
Me too.
See you later. In the backyard now. Y'all see the twins? They just chilling. Make it so peaceful and quiet. Look at the deer. These are the buns, the little ones. And their mom done cut them loose. So I hope their mom didn't get hit by a car or anything. You know, left the front of the house, to the side of the house, to the back of the house. Where twin at? I got a compost pile over there. Got some old watermelon in it. That's why they over there. He gonna go over there with a watermelon watch. I'm finna say that's what it looked like to me.
That's exactly what we call it.
Yeah.
I'm telling you how. This how you know.
How long y'all came up with that name right there?
Oh, it's been here for like almost 10 years.
Oh, for real? You know, that's the beauty about our area, meaning, you know, or like places like Brookhaven and other cities, you know, in the Atlanta metro area, they don't have the green space that we have to be able to do this. So they have to come out to our area, you know what I mean? But we just, a lot of us don't know what we have though.
Nope. And
See, you got caught, buddy. Flying around in the garage and said the spider ran down. Look, the spider got him. See right there, the spider got him, y'all. Not gonna lie to you, sir. See, that's why I leave those cobwebs sometime in the garage, because when they fly in here, he might be able to get it loose, but then that spider right there keep on spitting the stuff on him. The spider not gonna let him get away. Yeah, you going on YouTube. You're gonna be a part of my National Geographic. Now my wildlife video, Stonecrest Wildlife at its finest.
Wow.
I'm surprised you're not wrapping him out like a mummy right now. That spider, see that spider getting on him? Maybe you can sit on the outside. If you go on the outside, you'll be safer. There go the spider. The spider finna wrap him up. Sorry, Walls. Sorry, but not sorry. You just came at a bad time. The chipmunk done robbed us of our peaches, and then you in here messing with us. Oh, he's stuck. The spider finna really get him. Now look, the spider just walked on top of him. Look. Oh, he's really trapped now. See the spider?
Oh, man.
The spider got him stuck. See, he can't even move at this point. So the spider waiting on him to die, and then he's gonna wrap him up and he's gonna eat him. Let's see, there go the spider. He's gonna come back and check on him so he can enjoy his meal.
How is he gonna die though?
He can't fly. He can't eat. He can't go anywhere. He can't even move his wings. The spider just spit the silk on him, the web on him, like Spider-Man. And see, he's trying to shake and fly. He can't move. So once he died, the spider gonna come down there and wrap him up and then suck all of the life out of him. Because spiders don't drink water, and they get their water by eating the other insects and sucking it from them. So when we come back, you're gonna notice he's gonna be a shell because the spider gonna suck all of the life out of him and all of the juice. Later.
That's why I see dead ants over here.
Yeah, he's gonna be an example. Look, the spider's still wrapping him up. Look. See the spider keep on putting more silk on him, wrapping him up, and now he's gonna wrap his face up. Oh look, they fighting. Oh wow, he on his face. He's climbing on his face. Oh look, they fighting. Oh no, he's gonna bite his head off. Oh no, he's biting him. Oh, he's pulling him. Look, he's pulling him up the thing. Because once he bite him and make him die with his poison, he's gonna wrap him up and enjoy his meal. All right, Mr. Walsh, we'll come back and check on you. Good luck, buddy. It ain't no good luck. I think it's a wrap. He can't fly and move anymore. No more coming into our garage. We got pet spiders in here that'll get you.
Have fried chicken or dinner. Fried buffalo. Have fried chicken.
Alright guys, so much for this wasp fate. The spider was victorious. The wasp is through with money. He's done. You can put a fork in him. Meanwhile, the spider's on to him and it's a wrap. It's a wrap. The spider enjoying his meal. See you, bye. So yesterday was May the 8th and now it's May 9th, 2025 and oh yeah, his fate been sealed. He's dead as a doorknob. I had the life sucked out of him. And then my boy sitting up here in the corner waiting for his next meal. Now you gonna clean it up? Nope. Later. That's y'all in the morning do? Over the field? It's your heart. Also, big shout out to STONECREST Garden Club. Oh yeah. STONECREST Garden Club is definitely in the house. The anthers are doing well. It adds color. Adds color. And they're doing extremely well. I mean, considering they don't get much sun. Oh look, look at the creeping flocks. Let me move this stick out the way. What's that old man grunt? This one over here is not doing so well. Now, enough flower, but I'm not sure what's going on over here. But we'll see. This one hasn't flowered yet, but it's spreading, creeping flocks. Lavender. Lavender over here. It's a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. I think I'm gonna prune down this monkey grass. I'm gonna prune it down. And I'm Memorial Day coming up, so we can put this doggone grill right here to work. Roses. Roses are budding and doing well. Got some rosemary down here. It's growing. It's doing well. Got some red diamonds over here. That's the scientific name for those. A.W.A.R.E, petalum. Anyway, I get out here and clean out these tables. Mundo grass. Mundo grass doing well, as you can see. I gotta fill it in. I'm gonna fill it in. Like I said, I just want to find something that's gonna complement it. Anyway, monkey grass is doing well. Look, that's that sod I laid. A.W.A.R.E Georgia is getting nice and thick, so I think I'm gonna cut it probably in the next 2 days, or right before the rain come in. Yeah. Anyway, got some more hostas coming up along the borders. See those hostas? Marigolds doing well. More hostas. Marigolds. My muhly grass. Hanging the muhly grass is a perennial. Now the one to the right, it's hanging in there. This one over here, it don't get much sunlight. Those big old stone you see is blocking the sun a lot of times, but It's gonna get enough sun. Summer is on the way. So the sun will be shining in a different location so it'll get more sun. So I just gotta make sure I water it. Keep up the watering process. More marigolds and hostas alongside of the border. Yep.